Want to make your Shopify store look premium and eye-catching like top brands? This moving marquee section you are seeing right now are perfect for grabbing attention and boosting your store's look. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add and customize this marquee easily in your Shopify store. So make sure to watch till the end. First, go to your Shopify admin panel, then go to online store, then themes. Now you will see your theme name. Next to the theme name, there is a 3-dot option. Click on it. Then click Edit Code. It will open a new tab. This is the theme editing panel. On the left side of the tab, under your theme name, you will see some folders. One of them is the section folder. We will add our marquee section inside this section folder. Now I have opened a PDF file. When you click the link in my description box and downloaded my marquee bundle, you will get a PDF just like this. Inside the PDF, there are some Google Docs links. Each marquee has its own Google Doc links. Open all the doc one by one. Now I will open one marquee as an example. Here you will see the section name and the final code. This section name is the name of the marquee, and in the final code you will also find the marquee code. Remember this name because when we add the marquee from the customization, we'll need it. I'll show you by adding 2 marquees as an example. No matter which marquee bundle you downloaded, just follow this same process. I'll show and it will work perfectly. Now I copy the marquee section name, then go back to the Edit Code tab. Here you can see the section folder. Inside the folder, I create a new file. Then paste the copied marquee section name and press enter. That's it. Our new marquee file is created. You will see the file name, and below it there will be empty box. There is where we will paste the marquee code. If your theme already has any default code there, just delete it. Now I go back to the marquee tab. Under final code, copy the full code. Then come back and paste it into the empty box. After that, click Save. Make sure you don't forget to click Save after adding the code. Follow the same process to add all the marquees. If you don't want to keep all of them, you can delete any marquee by clicking on its file name. Now I go back to the theme admin panel, then click on the theme again and open it. Next to the theme name, you will see an option called Edit Theme. Click on it and it will take you to the theme customization panel. On the left side, you will see Add Section. Click on it. After clicking, you will find the names of the marquee section you added. In my theme, they appear at the top, but in your theme, they might be at the bottom. So check carefully. Now click on the marquee you want to add and it will be added instantly. From here, you can change the color speed, direction, everything. Now I go back from here. You can add text, delete text or change text. No matter whose marquee you add, you can customize it the same way. Again, you can drag and drop the marquee to adjust its position wherever you like. By the way, after adding and customizing your marquee, don't forget to click save. That's it for the video. Now you know how to add and customize this marquee section in your Shopify store. If you want to get this exact marquee designs, check the link in the description box and download the bundle. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.